Here is the cutting room and the different type of this pattern. Here is the 3D cutting machine, and this is very sharp. What is the pattern for? Let's take a look. Here is the fabric, and we have it layer by layer and cut the patterns here and directly cut by the machine. And we will see how it works later. Now they will start cutting and directly through the patterns, and it's very efficient and clean. The master has experience. Now it's finished. Here is the finished cutting fabric, and we will send them to the sewing department.